What is NFC on iPhone 11?
Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of NFC on the iPhone 11, an exciting technology that brings a range of useful features to your device. With NFC, you can perform contactless payments, automate tasks, and so much more. So, let's get started.
What is NFC?
NFC, or Near Field Communication, is a set of communication protocols enabling two electronic devices to establish communication by bringing them within 4 centimeters (1.6 inches) of each other. Built into many modern smartphones, including the iPhone 11, NFC enables your device to share data with other NFC-equipped devices or read information from NFC tags.
How is NFC used on iPhone 11?
The NFC capabilities of your iPhone 11 are used primarily in Apple Pay, Apple's mobile payment and digital wallet service. By holding your device near an NFC payment terminal, you can make secure transactions without reaching for your physical card. It's fast, easy, and completely contactless. But that's not all. iPhone 11 also supports NFC tags. These tags can be programmed to perform specific actions when scanned by your device, such as opening a web page, setting your alarm, or starting a playlist.
How to use NFC on iPhone 11?
Using NFC on iPhone 11 is straightforward. For Apple Pay, you simply hold your iPhone near the NFC payment terminal at the checkout counter and authorize your payment with Face ID or your passcode. For NFC tags, you need to have the NFC reader mode enabled. Then, just bring your iPhone close to the NFC tag to trigger the programmed action. The NFC reader mode is accessible through the control center on the iPhone 11 and doesn't need an app to operate. That wraps up our look at NFC on the iPhone 11. It's an exciting technology that offers both convenience and speed, whether you're making purchases with Apple Pay or automating tasks using NFC tags. We hope this video has been helpful and enlightening as you continue to explore the many features of your iPhone 11.